Okay, let's have a look at problem solving using proportions. I've told you how you would use or find a value of A for a proportion, but let's put it in a bit of context here. So let's say our question was the ratio of girls to boys on the bus is 4 to 3. Now let's say if there are 28 girls, how many boys are on the bus? Alright, so this looks a little tricky starting out, but let's look at what we're given. We're given one ratio here, 4 to 3, which is girls to boys, okay? And we're also given, well, a number of girls here. So let's start out how we normally would. We'll write our first ratio in fractional form. So we have 4 to 3. Now a reminder, that's girls to boys. Okay, so we know that they're going to be equal, so we're going to make sure we've got our equivalents. So what have we been given here? Well, the only other thing we've been given is 28 girls, okay? So, well, we know that the top line here is girls, so we're going to go 28 girls, because remember we're comparing, we're doing proportions for ratios, so it's always going to be girls to boys. So girls there, but we don't know how many boys we have. But now we have something we can work with, because we can use our method to cross multiply here. So this side is going to be 4b is equivalent to 3 times 28, which is 84, I think. Yes. So now we can solve for b, which is our boys. So we need to get rid of the 4, so that means we need to divide both sides by 4. So this will be left with b on that side, and that means it's 21 here. So now we found b to be 21, or boys to be 21. So now we sub it back into here. We have 4, 3, this is to check it, is 28 on 21. Oh, okay, cool. So let's check this using our other method. Now you wouldn't have to keep doing this. This is more just to prove as to why this works. But let's say I had 4, 3. So what do I need to multiply 4 by to get 28? 7 4s are 28. So that means if I multiply this side by 7, 3 7s are 21. So it's proportionate here. That all checks out. So it means if we had 28 girls on the bus, that we would have 21 boys. And we just used our cross multiplication method there using the information we were given.